Brewnomics.
Hello! Hope you guys are excited about this one as we are. Another round one matchup coming from our malt division. Here we got the Boulevard Brewing Jam Band Berry L with our wild card division. And then we have our Belching Beaver Brewery Peanut Butter Milk Stout. Try and say that 3 times fast. Bet you guys couldn't guess which the stout and the berry beer is.
I don't know. We have actually got a 14 seed versus a 3 seed here. The Jamberry being the 14 and the Peanut Butter Milk Stout being the number 3.
So yeah, this is going to be interesting. I'll tell you a little bit more about the Jam Band. Again, they're from Kansas City's. 5.9% ABV, very low, only 6 IBUs. How often do you see a beer in single-digit IBUs?
You really don't. It either says nothing
No,
or
exactly.
like unknown, not available. Like apparently they rated it 6 IBUs.
And on the Untapped, we got us a 3.548 overall rating.
Yeah, and that's what brings us in at the 14 seed.
One of our lowest rated beers, which is weird, at 3.54. I'm all right with that.
Me too. I mean, in order to make it to the tournament, you got to be able to, hold your
Best
own.
of the best.
So the Peanut Butter Milk Stout, again from Belching Beaver, they're from Oceanside, California, and they are our 3rd seed and at 5.3 ABV and 30 IBUs. So normally you don't see that, on a stout, that the stout would have more IBUs than whatever beer we're going
Right.
against.
They tend to
But
be
in this
pretty low,
case,
but-
yeah. And on Untapped, this is rated 4.0. So that's what brings it to our
That's a
number
pretty
3
good
seed.
overall rating.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's start us with some Jam Band. I don't know why I always like to start with the lower seed.
No, it's fine. Yeah, it's Cinderella story. You gotta see what they're gonna bring to the table. I love it.
Smells fruity, smells light, almost smells like a Shasta soda.
You had this before?
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
I was so fascinated by it. Wow. Holy sweet, fruity. Interesting.
I forgot.
Interesting beer.
It almost tastes like a Frambois, not quite, or maybe even a cream ale with just lots of fruit. It is 100% a fruit beer.
The difference between these two beers.
It's a very interesting matchup. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give the peanut butter a shot. I wondered if you were gonna do that, because that is literally a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in your mouth, isn't it? Is that amazing?
That's the way to do it. Okay, that's the way to do it. Wow, that was amazing. It did taste like peanut butter and jelly. Holy shit. I think I just discovered something wonderful.
I love both these beers. If you go and check my Untapped ratings, you will find that I do, in fact, love both these beers. And it's only now that I'm tasting head-to-head that I'm actually able to pick a favorite. I think I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Well, we need an impartial judge to come out here and see what's going on.
Look at that. Okay. All right, Vic, we need you, bro.
I'm trying that peanut butter and
Look
jelly
at
as
that,
soon as we're done.
dude. Yeah.
Because that did look delicious.
Dude, I'm really excited about that, man.
Let's see what he thinks. Questionable.
Well, my mind is blown by the peanut butter and jamberry mixture,
I had a wild red nut crusher and a huckleberry cream ale from Laughing Dog mixed together. Very similar taste that I would think this end would end up being, but I want to see, because which is the better PBJ sandwich beer?
It's tough, ain't it, Vic?
It's
tough, man.
For a 3 versus 14 seed, this is an incredibly tough
That's why I love
matchup.
this tournament, yo.
It's great.
I think what I'm gonna have to do here is go with.
There it is.
All
right.
All right.
3 seed, moving on to the next round.
I don't agree. But
Vic.
it is what it is, I guess.
Good job, Belching Beaver. And
I do love Belching Beaver. They're one of my favorites.
Yeah.
But this Jam Band, man, try that.
Yeah.
If you see it, go out of your way to try it.
please.
Fuck what these guys say. But, you know what? I was outvoted. It is what it is. Next!
Next.
Oh god, silly.
Ow, what's in your
Thanks, man.
plow?
You guys know it.
Was that your wallet? That sucks.
My metal wallet.
Ow.
Slap.
What the fuck? Why do you have that as a wallet?
Slapped my man boob, and I was like, oh, that
That
jiggles
was
too much, and you're like,
that's
ow.
like, that's like in a movie when you get shot and survive.
Exactly.
Because you have that in your fucking pocket. God damn. Jesus.
Now you know
Don't slap him in the chest, apparently.
Only slap him in the dick.
There you go.